Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fundrise for your first real estate investment, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Fundrise website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Fill out the registration form with your email and create a password. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Fundrise. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Fundrise website and log in with your credentials. Complete your profile by providing personal information such as your name, address, and financial details. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Next, you'll need to answer questions about your investment experience and financial situation. Once completed, you will proceed to select your investment strategy. Fundrise offers options like income, growth, or a customized portfolio. Choose the strategy that aligns with your investment goals. Review the recommended investment packages based on your selection. Decide the amount you want to invest, keeping in mind the minimum investment requirement. Make sure to read any additional information provided about each investment. After selecting your investments, proceed to the payment section. Input your bank details for funding your account. You may also have the option to link an external investment account. Once your payment information is entered, confirm the transaction details. After your initial investment is complete, you will see your portfolio overview. Monitor your investments regularly through the Fundrise dashboard. You can access updates, performance reports, and any communications from Fundrise. Consider reinvesting your earnings to maximize your returns. That's how you set up Fundrise for your first real estate investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.